Hey guys, this is Dr. Billy Williams, president of Inspire Nation Business Mentoring. I'm so excited that you would take this journey with us. We're going to take you on a journey that will show you step by step proven processes that will generate $10 million in revenue if you're an independent agency, or $10 million in premium if you're a captive agency in the next 3 to 5 years. How can we be so sure? Because I started this journey 16 years ago as a captive agency. And today, counting my partnerships and investments, we have over $1.2 billion in premium under management. This is something that if you put your discipline, your time, and your effort into, and more importantly, you follow our step-by-step processes, you too will achieve that $10 million in revenue or $10 million in premium if you're a captive agency goal. So with that being said, let me walk you through our program. Our goal is to teach you how to add $10 million in revenue if you're an independent agency, or $10 million in premium if you're a captive agency in the next 3 to 5 years to your agency. How do we know it works? Because it takes an assembly line approach to add that $10 million in revenue to an insurance agency, and we've already figured out the 20 stations on the assembly line. So what are those stations? Carriers and niches, products that you sell, agency reports, such as revenue per producer, how many leads you need to generate, core technology tools, your 5 best insurance prospects, how to generate prospect list, 10 main marketing methods that we have to use to communicate with your 5 best prospects, lead tracking methods and tools, lead follow-up methods, timelines and technology, calendar blocking so you can make sure that everything you need to get done gets done, the actual checklist and workflows that you need to make sure all the tasks are being done properly, your staff KPIs, the new customer process, how to make sure that service and admin are not the quicksand that slows your agency down, our claims process, the retention renewal process, staffing, training, and accountability, how to pay, bonus, and commission your staff for the maximum results, billing and accounting, and of course, taxes. Let's look at what can stop you from adding $10 million in revenue to your insurance agency. A low revenue per sale, low amount of total sales, lack of effective marketing and prospecting, admin tasks consuming the agency's time and activity so that there's no time left for you to sell anything. Lack of effective KPIs per position and role in the agency, including your technology. Each piece of your technology should have its own KPI. Lack of consistent agency processes and tasks. Ineffective use of agency technology, and lack of consistent accountability and spot checking. These are things that can stop you from adding $10 million in revenue or premium to your agency. You see, it takes 4 types of discipline to effectively operate an insurance agency: self-discipline, accountability, technology and automation, and outsourcing. And we're going to help you understand when and how to utilize all 4 of those types of discipline. Our mentoring program is designed to be paint by the numbers simple. So please don't make this complicated. Follow the module order. We give you modules 1 through 6, which are the foundation of our program. Thoroughly read the instructions and information on the main task to accomplish section. Don't skim over the material. Follow the action steps. They're laid out for you. Action step 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever those different amounts of action steps are. But follow the action steps. And use your back button to get back to the previous page if you were instructed to move to a topic-specific page. It's easy to get caught up in the rabbit holes in our program because we have so many different ways of teaching and training you. Always hit your back button. It'll take you back to where you were previously or the one prior to that so that you don't get trapped in the rabbit hole. Modules 1 through 6 are the foundation that we use to build your $10 million assembly line. Every task that you fail to implement from modules 1 through 6 will reduce the agency's potential revenue, and you don't want to do that. Think of module 1 through 6 like the vowels of building the $10 million agency or $10 million assembly line. You can't make English words without vowels. There are 171,000 commonly spoken English words built on 26 letters. but each of those words has to have a vowel. Those 6 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, are the foundation of the English language. Modules 1 through 6 are the foundation of our $10 million program. Guys, we're going to spot check the hell out of you. My assistants are going to call and spot check you. I'm going to spot check you. Just the system in and of itself is going to spot check you through our quizzes and polls. We're going to spot check the hell out of you. So be prepared for that. That's the only way we can guarantee that you're following our program effectively and that you're maximizing what you need to do to get that $10 million in revenue or $10 million in premium. If you need help or you have questions, email us at helpdesk@inspirenation.org. Text message us at 682-206-3836. Texting will get you the fastest response. We're always on the phone. We're always on a web meeting. We're always helping somebody. So we don't answer the phone very regularly, but we will respond to your text message and we will call you back at our absolute earliest opportunity. Make sure you schedule your one-on-one appointments, your one-on-one web meetings with the help desk, my assistant, or a senior Inspire Nation mentor, such as myself or one of my other senior mentors, by using the Schedule Now button that's located on the main page of the video library, and it's also on each module page in our program. So modules 1 through 6 have a Schedule Now button, and then you have the main page of the video library. Guys, I'm ready to help you, but you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's get started on Module 1.